Now at this point, let's code something in the main function to check if a number is even or not. We're gonna try to get the result in the void main while doing the calculations in the function. First, let's remove all the unnecessary codes. Then change the return type to bool, as the function after calculation will return either true or false to the void main function. And also change the function name to a more appropriate one. I will type check even. Here we need to print the result. So the value which we want to check will come from here. It will go to the constructor and it will be checked inside the check even function, which will return the value. But how can we check if a number is even or odd? Basically, if a number is divided by 2 and it has 0 as a reminder, it is even. Now, in order to check the value, let me introduce you to the condition statements. Write if, and then in round brackets, write a mod operator, then 2. So it will basically give the reminder when the variable a is divided by 2. Now, put 2 equals signs and then type 0. These 2 equals operators mean that they want to check if the value from a mod 2 is equal to 0 or not. Here I'm gonna put curly brackets and write return true. So only when the above if statement is correct, that is the value is even, the value true will be returned. Now, what if it's odd? Well, just write else and return false. Let's run it. And of course the statement is false as the 4321 number is odd. Let's change it to an even number and then we will get true as a return value. There is also another type of condition statement that I'm gonna tell you about right now. You just need to type else if instead of else. The condition is to check if a number is odd. So let me just copy this part and instead of writing 2 equal signs, let's write not equals. The exclamation sign is the not operator. And a small reminder, if there is only one line of code to run inside the if statement, you don't need to put brackets. Dart automatically assigns it to the if statement. Now you will see an error. This is because when we wrote bool, we specified that the function will be returning some value. In our situation, there are 2 conditions and the compiler does not know if any function will return a value, and that's why we got this error. Don't worry though, in order to solve it, just remove the bool. Removing it means that it may or may not return a value. And success! The code runs.